I think what was critical for success in utilizing Nodify is understanding that it is a risk stratification test for patients specifically. Right now, we have different calculators and we have different population risks for a wide swath of patients. But my patient that I'm seeing in front of me doesn't always fit inside of that stratification. So having extra information to help me have a conversation with these patients to try to figure out the next steps is paramount. And you can't just do that on tests that you cherry pick. You really have to see its benefit by testing all the patients that meet criteria. Because when we do that, we start to realize the benefits of true risk stratification for specific patients. And we get surprised on nodules that we may not have thought have been very worrisome in the past, that we've learned more information on, or other ones that we may have hedged a little bit, but now have an added piece of confidence to move them through the process in the ways that's going to be best for their care.
To integrate it into our program, the best way for success was really to make an algorithm that works best for your particular practice. So for us, what we did is, besides getting physician and fellow buy-in, we made it kind of one-stop shopping with our nurse practitioner. So although now we'll be doing the capillary test in the office, but prior, she would do the paperwork, she would have the login, she would get the emails, and then she'd be able to disperse it back and forth. So anybody in the office knew, they didn't have to know the logistics of how to get this test done other than to reach out to our nurse practitioner, and it was done. And so that's made it very easy, one-stop shopping, and that's how we did it.
In general, we see so many nodules. Our clinical decision-making is incomplete. There's gaps. I've always wanted something else, something to help me make that decision.
I first tried to go it on my own and do everything on my own, and that's too hard, and it's unnecessary, frankly. But if you can use the rep as a resource, you're going to have a much easier time. And listen, as a company, Biodesix is really, really invested in lung cancer and in helping patients and providers achieve the best possible results. They want to help you design something that works well, that is efficient, and that is not cumbersome. If you're willing to work with the Biodesix team and to really partner with them, then they can help ensure that you have a streamlined and efficient process. And when you have that, then you're not going to be apprehensive about utilizing this test that is simple to acquire and can provide really, really meaningful, helpful results.